It is easy to make promises, it is hard work to keep them. It seems reform is not pleasant, but grievous. No person can reform themselves without suffering and hard work, how much less a nation. If 4 things are followed, having a great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work, and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. When people go to a track meet, they're looking for something, a world record, something that hasn't been done before. You get all of this magnetic energy. People focusing on one thing at the same time. I really get excited about it. It makes me want to compete even more. It makes it all worthwhile, all the hours of hard work. I know you've heard it 1,000 times before. But it's true, hard work pays off. If you want to be good, you have to practice, practice, practice. If you don't love something, then don't do it.